I'm going to give you 10 different short form video ideas that you can use to promote your art and promote yourself on social media. Alright, so chances are you clicked on this video because you're an artist or designer or creative person who mostly makes static images, whether that's paintings or digital art or anything like that. And if you've been paying attention, you can very clearly see that social media is going down a very specific path, and that's the path of short form videos. Honestly, it's kind of worrying when you spend hours and hours creating these static images, and you can see that the best way to grow on social media is through TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Don't worry though, because I'm going to give you 10 different short form video ideas that you can use to promote your art and promote yourself on social media. Alright, number one is the most obvious, and you might have already done it before, but speed art, or like a time lapse of the creation of your creative thing. Basically, you record the process of your creative thing and then you speed it up. Squishing 10 hours into like 9 seconds is kind of tough, so you'll probably want to cut up those sections to just show the most relevant parts. So for example, if you're drawing a person, maybe you're sketching out the body, then you're drawing the head and then the arms and the legs, and then it would be the final product right at the very end. Okay, number two is going to be relatable things. So not all of your content has to revolve around your work. It can actually be revolving around like you as a person, or just things that you think are funny. To do this, you can actually get other artists sharing your work if you talk about something relatable. So for example, you could talk about back problems, poor eyesight, annoying clients. I can't think of anything else. There's like 1,000 different trends going on at once on TikTok pretty much all the time. So you want to pick one and then use your artist relatability to kind of like make a TikTok. Number three is guess what I'm drawing. Basically, the idea behind this one is that you would show the beginning or the process of you making something, whether that's sketching something out or like a close-up of what you're doing, and then you ask the viewers to guess what you're drawing. This is extra dope for two reasons. One, because you're actually engaging the audience and getting people to interact with you. And two, you can actually use this for two videos, because one, you could do guess what I'm drawing, and then the next video you post could be like what you're drawing. Okay, number four is interacting with trends with your work. You're probably thinking, Ryan, what does that mean? Okay, so trends come and go so fast on TikTok, so I'm gonna be so dated just saying this, but right now something really big on TikTok is couch boy. Depending on when I upload this, that might seem like forever ago. See, couch boy is huge on TikTok, so what you would want to do is use your work to somehow join in on the trend of like making fun of couch boy. So for example, you could draw like a picture of him on a couch with like a million different girls, or turn him into an album cover, paint him like a devil. This is getting dark. Basically just use your medium creative thing to join in on whatever trend is popping. Okay, idea 5 is doing a before and after, except like in real life. I don't know how to explain this. Actually, I'm going to explain it. Basically, the idea behind this one is you would take like a video of pretty much anything in life. So say you would take a video of me right now, I'd be like, and then I would turn that frame into whatever I do. Whether that's photoshopping me into like a different scene, painting me, turning me into a blanket made out of yarn. I don't know, I'm really struggling with ideas. The idea is to take a video and then use that last frame and turn it into something else to show your artistic skills, kind of. It also helps if you do more than one in a video. Like, I know it might take a while, but if you do like 3, so it'd be like video, then turns into art, video, turns into art, video, and turns into art. That's perfect. All right, idea 6 is to use your art to combine 2 unsuspecting niches. Okay, I use this example a lot, but one thing I did was combine The Office with horror movies. Those 2 niches do not mesh well, but it's really impactful when you can combine both of them. Also, the TikTok algorithm will show your videos to the Office people and to the horror movie people. So you're getting 2 different audiences, and the artsy people. So you could combine 2 things like ballet and I don't know, I can't think of anything in this video. Something that's very far from ballet. UFC and ballet. Get Conor McGregor doing like a twirl or something. There you go. Thought of an idea. Okay, this one's an easy one and you're gonna listen to this and kind of roll your eyes, but I'm gonna say it anyway. It's gonna be jumping in on trends. So for example, not too long ago, there's like a trend where it says like, show how shaky your hand is and then show your art. And it was supposed to be like, whoa, their hand is shaky, but they're so good at art, whoa. Jump in on those. Pretty simple, really. You can also find people that do different mediums of work and kind of copy what they're doing as well. For example, I actually copy a lot of like photography trends and stuff like that, except I use my own artwork in there. I'm not a photographer, but I mean, works. Number 8 is showing tips and tricks that you use yourself. If you do anything that's kind of like different or unique or something that took you a long time to figure out, share it. Make sure it's not simple like always save your work, but it's something actually like that no one's heard before or that a lot of people haven't heard before. Maybe it's like a trick you found out through like years of like doing what you're doing. Okay, number 9 is gonna be interacting with your audience. What do I mean by this? I mean, throw questions and comments in other videos towards your audience and try to get them to interact with you. You could say things like, comment on this video and I will design your profile picture, or everyone who comments on this post I will put in my next artwork, or comment what your favorite animal is and I'll mix them together, something like that. And last but not least, we have tutorials. This one's pretty straightforward. Just show people how to do stuff that you already know how to do. If you can be quick and effective and easy to understand, people are gonna love it and share it to the friends like, oh look, this is how you do this is how you do that, this is so useful. People really like tutorials on pretty much any social media. Now, not too long ago, I did post a video about how to get more views on TikTok. If you haven't already seen that, I suggest go watch it right now. I think this video and that video together will make you unstoppable. All right, if you guys want to see any examples of these on my own TikTok, I'm going to leave a link to that in the description. That's it. Please subscribe. I'm going to post stuff like this every single Wednesday. Not unless anything, I will post it. See ya.